Do you want to film anywhere without leaving your room? Let me show you how to change your video background in seconds. No green screen needed. Step 1. Add your video. First, CapCut, tap new project and select video that you want to edit. Step 2. Remove background. Next, tap clip, scroll across the menu and hit remove background. CapCut's AI will cut you out perfectly and no green screen needed. Now let's teleport overlay. Add your photo or a video background and drag it underneath your main clip. Step 4. Adjust perfect. Reset photo, straight brightness and add a filter to make it look real. Here. Step 5. Export and share. And you're done. Tap export and now you can film anywhere without leaving your chair. Easy, right? That's it. Follow for more CapCut magic and editing apps to take your videos viral. Thanks for watching. Bye.